Ever wonder if the secret to a health revolution is sitting in your kitchen cabinet right now? Get ready for a revelation that's going to change the way you think about your health routine. We're about to uncover some groundbreaking hacks that transform ordinary baking soda into a powerhouse for your well-being. Stick with us to explore why these baking soda breakthroughs are too good to pass up. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming up next. Hey everyone, welcome to a surprising adventure with something you've got in your kitchen right now. Baking soda. Yep, that's right. The same stuff you use in cookies and to keep things fresh. But wait until you hear what else it can do. We're about to show you some incredible tricks with baking soda that'll have you saying, really? From kicking heartburn to the curb with just a splash in water, to making your teeth sparkle, and even helping your muscles recover after a workout. And guess what? It doesn't stop there. We've got some secrets about baking soda that are so good they seem almost like magic. Imagine something as simple as baking soda helping with things like kidney health and easing aches and pains. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around because we're diving into all these amazing tips and you're not going to want to miss a single one. Let's start this journey together and unlock the surprising powers of baking soda. Ready to be amazed? Let's go. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, might just be the most versatile item in your pantry. While it's a go-to for baking fluffy treats and keeping your home sparkling, its benefits extend far beyond. Today, we're exploring how this everyday ingredient can become an extraordinary ally in your health and wellness journey. Health hack number 1, the natural antacid. Struggle with heartburn? Before you reach for over-the-counter solutions, give baking soda a try. Dissolve a teaspoon in water for a quick natural antacid. It's perfect for neutralizing that uncomfortable burning sensation after a hearty meal, offering relief without the need for harsh medications. Baking soda's ability to act as a natural antacid comes from its basic nature. When dissolved in water, it neutralizes stomach acid through a simple chemical reaction, forming water and carbon dioxide, which leads to burping. This reaction directly counters the excess acidity in the stomach, providing quick relief from heartburn and indigestion without the side effects that some over-the-counter antacids might have. Have you tried this hack before? Drop a comment below with your experience. Health hack number 2, brighten your smile. Forget about expensive whitening treatments. Baking soda can naturally brighten your smile. The mild abrasive properties of baking soda make it effective at removing surface stains from teeth, which can be caused by coffee, tea, or smoking. Its alkalinity also helps to balance the pH level in the mouth, creating an environment that is less favorable for harmful bacteria to thrive, thus freshening breath. This dual action makes it an inexpensive and gentle alternative to harsher chemical whitening agents. Just sprinkle a little on your toothbrush or rinse with a baking soda and water solution for a brighter, fresher smile. Who else loves a bright, white smile without breaking the bank? Here's a challenge for you. Try replacing your regular toothpaste with baking soda for a week. Share your before and after pictures in the comments or let us know how it goes. You might be surprised by the results. Health hack number 3, soothe your skin. Suffering from insect bites, bee stings, or a nasty sunburn, baking soda's alkaline nature helps soothe skin irritations, such as insect bites, bee stings, or sunburn. When added to bath water, it can help neutralize the acids on the skin and reduce inflammation and itching. This provides a simple yet effective way to comfort irritated skin naturally. Got an itchy bug bite or a painful sunburn? Here's a soothing solution. Add a cup of baking soda to your next bath. We'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried this remedy? Share your stories or additional tips for skin relief in our comment section. Health hack number 4, enhance your exercise. Want to level up your workout? Baking soda's role in enhancing exercise performance is grounded in its chemical property as a buffering agent. During high-intensity workouts, the body metabolizes glucose for energy, a process that produces lactic acid as a byproduct. Accumulation of lactic acid in the muscles decreases the pH, leading to the familiar sensation of muscle burn and fatigue. By ingesting baking soda before exercise, its buffering action helps maintain the pH balance in the muscles and blood, delaying the onset of muscle fatigue and soreness. This can significantly impact endurance and performance in activities that rely on sustained, high-intensity effort, such as sprinting, swimming, or cycling. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts might use baking soda supplementation as part of their training regimen to enhance their lactate threshold and improve recovery times between intense training sessions. Health hack number 5, support kidney health. Facing the challenges of chronic kidney disease, baking soda may offer a ray of hope. It helps balance the body's pH level and can reduce the strain on kidneys, potentially slowing disease progression. It's an example of how simple dietary adjustments can have profound health implications. For those navigating the challenges of chronic kidney disease, incorporating baking soda into your diet might offer some benefits. Health hack number 6. Ease arthritis pain. For those battling arthritis, every day can be a fight against pain. The potential of baking soda to ease arthritis pain is an area of growing interest, particularly in how it influences the body's inflammatory response. Research suggests that baking soda may signal to mesothelial cells, which line body cavities, to mediate the immune response, promoting an anti-inflammatory environment. This mechanism could help reduce the chronic inflammation associated with arthritis, leading to decreased pain and improved joint mobility. For individuals with arthritis, incorporating baking soda into their diet or treatment plan could offer a simple yet effective adjunct therapy to traditional pain management strategies, potentially reducing the reliance on non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, that come with various side effects when used long-term. Health hack number 7. A new ally against cancer. In our ongoing battle against cancer, every strategy counts. Baking soda is being looked at for its potential to help in treating cancer. The idea is pretty straightforward. Cancer cells like living in an acidic environment, and baking soda is basic, the opposite of acidic. So the thought is that making the area around cancer cells less acidic with baking soda might slow down their growth or make them easier to kill with chemotherapy. This is a new area of study, and doctors and scientists are still trying to figure out if it really works and how best to use it. But the hope is that something as simple and cheap as baking soda could someday be part of the plan to fight cancer, alongside the usual treatments. This could be especially good news because it might improve the effectiveness of these treatments without adding much in the way of cost or side effects. And that wraps up our incredible journey with baking soda. Who knew that this humble kitchen staple could be such a superhero? From boosting our health in ways we never imagined to being a secret weapon for our well-being, we've uncovered the many faces of baking soda together. Remember how we started wondering about the magic hidden in plain sight in our kitchens? Well, we've certainly found it. Baking soda isn't just for baking. It's a multitasking marvel that's ready to tackle everything from your health to your home. Wow, what a trip we've had with just a box of baking soda. It's amazing to think that something so common in our kitchens can do so much more than we ever imagined. From helping with heartburn to making our teeth white and even helping out our kidneys and muscles, baking soda has shown us it's not just for baking. This journey has really opened our eyes. It shows us that some of the best helpers for our health are right in front of us, hidden in plain sight. Baking soda is one of those helpers, and it's been right there all along. Thanks for hanging out with us and diving into the world of baking soda. Got any cool tricks or stories about baking soda? Drop them in the comments. We can't wait to read them. Your tips and tales make our community awesome. Hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome finds. There's so much more to discover in the everyday stuff around us, and we're here to uncover it all, one episode at a time. Keep that curiosity alive, keep exploring, and always find the wonder in the everyday. Catch you in the next video. Keep doing amazing things with simple stuff. See ya.